Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Babes Wodumu has people talking once again after a video of her kissing a guy friend went viral on social media. Now, people were wondering if there's trouble in paradise between her and husband Mampinja after seeing the video. Babes Wodumu's marriage has been scrutinized by the public since they got married because of the gender-based violence allegations that Babes once made about her husband Mampinja, and a lot of people have been hoping that Babes leaves him. For months, Babes Wodumu has trended for being a bad girl, insulting people, including her mother-in-law and other celebrities. Now, people on social media are saying that this video is one of Babes Wodumu's publicity stunts to gain publicity for one of the projects that she's currently working on. Check out the video, comment, you guys, and tell me what you think. I will definitely see you on my next commentary. Thank you so much. Bye.